Hello everyone. How you guys doing? Good. Okay. Today's class will help you guys to identify I have few friends and I have a few friends. Because recently I just found it that some of your friends feel confused about few and a few. And I guess you wanted to express that I have a few friends or I have some friends, but they used wrong grammar rule. So the meaning of the sentence become differently. Okay, to solve this issue. And if you want to know what's the difference between them, please follow my next content. Okay, let's go. Before I tell you guys what's the difference between these two sentences, I want you guys to know what's the difference between few and a few. And here are three aspects that I'm going to introduce. The first one is direct meaning. The second one is indirect meaning. And the third one is emotion. Let's go to the few first. Few means a small number of. And the indirect meaning for few is emphasizing how small a number is. The emotion for this is you have a necessity to have more, like there's lack of something. So after we knew the three aspects of few, to be short, few means have almost none. Okay, let's go to a few. A few means some, which similar to small number of, but just similar. It cannot be completely equal to a small number of. And the indirect meaning for a few is emphasizing the fact of some. For example, you have a few friends means that you have some friends as well as you have several friends. You just want to mention you are not only have one friend, okay? And the emotion for a few is you have some and are pretty satisfied with it. You are not complaining, you're not feel unsatisfied. You just feel you have some and feel pretty satisfied with it, okay? And then if you use expression, I have few friends, it means that you are alone. Yeah, so I guess you do want to describe yourself as a lonely and boring person. I guess no one wants to describe themselves as that, okay? If you don't want to describe yourself as a lonely and boring person, so please follow my next content, okay? Okay, so now we moved on the sentences part. I have few friends means that I do not have many friends. And I do not have many friends and I have few friends imply that I would like to have more friends. It has negative connotation. Negative connotation means that you don't want to have few friends like this. For example, I just gave you an example that few linked to other objects. I have few opportunities to travel around. This sentence is implying that I really want to travel, but I cannot. Okay, you get what I mean? You guys are so smart, okay? And then let's move on to I have a few friends. I have a few friends means that I have small number of friends. I have some friends. I have several friends. But I have a few friends implies that I feel satisfied with the number of friends. It has positive or neutral connotations. For example, I have a few decorations to decorate the Christmas tree. It means that you want to decorate this Christmas tree and you have some or a few decorations. You get what I mean? Okay, and few and a few can be also linked to other objects or nouns, such as trousers, a few trousers. Oranges, few oranges, a few oranges. Teachers, few teachers, a few teachers, as well as boss. But here is the rule that I want you guys to know. Although they can be linked to other objects or nouns, but not every objects or nouns. So here's a tip. If you want to link to other objects or nouns, it is feasible as long as it is plural countable nouns. Means that you cannot link few and a few to uncountable nouns. It must be plural and plural countable nouns. Now it's exercise time. Here are the 3 exercises that I want you guys to fill in. But I just want to have anyone to answer these 3 questions. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Anyone wants to answer this question? Oh, okay. Joseph, you want to answer? What's the answer for this? Correct. It is a few. How do you know that that school is good? And means that the speaker is asking the other speaker, why does he or she know the information? So the second blank, the blank in here must be filled in with a few because the information is the school is good. So this person knows that school is good because his or her a few friends who study there. He knows that or she knows that from those friends. Okay, let's move on to the second one. Anyone wants to answer? Okay, Alex, you want to answer? What's the answer for this? Yes, correct. It's few. Why you always go shopping alone? This sentence implies that only one person goes shopping. And the answer for this is, I have few friends to go there with me. She or he doesn't have many friends to go there with me, so she always goes shopping alone. Let's move on to the third one. I changed other objects or objects, so maybe a little bit challenging for you guys to know. What is that? Yes, correct, few. I think we cannot make fruit salad today. Cannot in here stands that this sentence is negative sentence. It has negative meaning. But the second sentence begins with yeah, means that the second speaker agreed with the first speaker. So the second sentence also will be a negative sentence or negative meaning. So few needs to be filled in this blank. I think we cannot make fruit salad today. Yeah, only fit blueberries in this fridge. Okay, congratulations. You guys are doing great. You finished 3 exercises. And let's take a review. Now I'm going to give you guys an example because I'm afraid that you guys do not know how to answer for that. So the first example in here is you plan to buy some socks because you have few socks. So you don't need to buy more. So you need to buy more. And for the second one is you received several gifts on your birthday because you have a few friends. Yes, you have some friends, several friends, so you receive several gifts on your birthday. Okay, next one, I want some of you guys to answer this. Now it's COVID-19 situation, but you do not need to buy many vegetables because you... Lily, can you answer for this? Correct. You have a few vegetables, so you don't need to buy many. Okay, for the last one, I want somebody to answer. Okay, Joseph, what's the answer for this? I'm sorry, Joseph, what did you say? Have few attention? Oh no, Joseph. I'm afraid that you cannot use attention in here because attention is uncountable nouns. It means that you cannot use one attention, two attentions. As I mentioned before, few and a few can also can be linked to other objects and other nouns, but it must be plural countable nouns. So if you use attention, it will be grammatically incorrect. Okay. Okay, you got what I mean? Okay, good boy. So the answer for this is have few friends. Because you have few friends, you don't have many friends, so no one calls and texts you. Now, let's take a short review for definition of few and a few. Few implies negative meaning and it emphasizes a small amount. And a few has positive or neutral meaning. It emphasizes like they still have some. To be short again, few means have almost none. A few means some. Okay? Okay, that's the end of this class. I hope you guys learned well in this class and just stay safe and stay healthy. Learn well in your home, okay? Don't be lazy. See you in next class. Goodbye.